Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you the highlights of my trip to Copenhagen. We'll explore the Royal Run and take a boat trip through the city's canals. Get ready, let's go! Now we are in Copenhagen. There is a big race, the Royal Run. It has started already. The Royal Run is a popular annual running event in Copenhagen, organized by Crown Prince Frederik of Denmark. It encourages an active lifestyle and offers races suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. The event takes participants through iconic locations in Copenhagen, drawing thousands of enthusiastic runners each year. The race routes take you through some iconic landmarks in Copenhagen, allowing you to experience the city in a unique way. It's a big race where lots of people run together. You can have fun, take cool pictures, and join in on the party afterwards. After waiting for 30 minutes, we finally get on the harbor bus. It is cheaper and more fun than the tourist boat. It's the Copenhagen Opera House, the National Opera House of Denmark, and is known for its modern design. The Opera House is located on the island of Holmen in Copenhagen and was inaugurated in 2005. It's one of the most expensive opera houses ever built, at a cost of 2.5 billion Danish kroner, which is approximately equivalent to $400 million. The Copenhagen Opera House has become a cultural landmark in Denmark and is renowned for its world-class performances and acoustics. You see the yellow boat, that's the harbor bus. hope you are enjoying my video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.